What's up, guys? Tony here with Drive Protected. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the front fender camera on your Tesla Model Y Juniper. We've already removed this fender trim. I'll link the video for that right here if you guys want to go check that out to make that easier. All right, after you've done that, you can just stick your hand behind here, and there's a little clip here and a little clip here. You're just going to push up on those guys, and that'll pop right out like that. That was too easy. And then there's two wiring harnesses. So for these guys, you want to take this red piece and pull back on that thing and then push down here like that. Same thing here. And if that's not working, like it seems to be here, it's not going far enough back if it's not working. So all the way back and then down and pull. Just like that, we got the camera removed. All right, and that's how simple it is to remove the camera. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe.